Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is day number 142 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank and we are using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets for traffic. All right. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a nice income within 1 year doing so. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video. I went over here to My Lead Gen Secret. If you don't know what that is, guys, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 brand new leads coming in. Okay. Now, what separates the two is depending on how many accounts that you have with the system. Okay. Now, a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that this does work. It does convert. Okay. This is cold traffic, guys, so you do have to come in every day and send out emails to get their attention. Okay. Now, once you get their attention, they're going to be able to open up, trust you, sign up for whatever it is that you're promoting, and you will see progress. You will get sales. Okay. So that's just how that works, guys. All right. Now, with this service, guys, you're going to be able to send one email every 24 hours. So every 24 hours, you're going to be able to come in and send out an email. Okay. Now, I send my emails at night. So I come in here around the same time, guys, every night, and I send out all 8 of my accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do so. Okay. Very easy to do. All right. So what you're looking at right here is the back office. Okay. And this is what your account will look like if you were to get started. All right. So pretty much you'll have these tabs coming across here. The only thing different is going to be your affiliate link, obviously, and the emails that you're sending out versus emails I'm sending out. Okay. That's the only difference between your account and my account. All right. So where you're going to be hanging out at, guys, is this mailing system. This is where you're going to go send out all of your emails. So pretty much what you would do is come here and you would click on select all. There's going to be 3 ways that you can create an email to send out to this traffic. Okay, number one is to write an email yourself. If you're good at writing emails and coming up with good ad copy on your own, you can create an email that way. The other way is going to be able to use by using some kind of AI email service or chat GPT or something like that. Okay, and the other way is going to be able to that you're going to be able to send out emails is using the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, now, if you go to clickbank.com, that's going to be the network that we are using for this series. So if you guys want to go over to ClickBank and just sign up for a free account, you're going to be able to use some of those free business opportunity offers that they have. And those business opportunities, those offers that they have, they are free. Okay. So all you got to do is simply copy and paste those over to the system. Okay. So pretty much once you do that, I'm just going to show you an email on what that looks like. Pretty much what you would do is you're going to pick out an email. You're going to come up with an email. Okay. And you're going to come up with a subject line. Okay. And then you're also going to come up with a body of text right here. Okay. So this is what an email would look like if you're sending one out. Okay. So pretty much you would come down here, make sure you click on perfect timing. And as you can see, there's a clickable link right here. Okay. So this email is ready to go. And then all you would have to do is come down here and click on send. You want to click on preview to make sure that the email does work and make sure that your link works. And then also you want to come down here and click on send. And then that's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. It's super easy to do. And I would recommend you guys getting started today. All right. So like I said, again, all you need is a subject line and then a body of text right here. And then you just come down here, make sure you click on perfect timing and then just click on send, guys. It's super easy to do. Okay. So, also, if you guys want to promote the My Lead Gen secret system itself, you can come down here, go over here to the affiliates tab, and you can submit these emails right here. Okay. All you got to do is pretty much click on this right here. Just load them up into your back office here. You just click on select all on your emails. And then as you can see, once we clicked on that, the email popped in right here. So the subject line right here, watch TV or make some real money instead. And then you can come down here, and as you can see the email ready to go, attached to a clickable link right here. Okay, your affiliate link. You click on perfect timing, and then come down here and click on send now. Okay, that's going to be the way that you're going to send these emails out every single day. It's just super easy, guys. You can either copy and paste those emails over, use the AI service, or if you want to just promote the My Lead Gen Secret system itself, you can come here and promote the My Lead Gen Secret, all right? And you can make money that way, okay? So just wanted to show you guys how easy it is just to send out an email. Now, just do keep in mind that it does take just a little bit of time to get started to get this thing off the ground. So when you send these emails out, don't expect, commissions right away. Okay. Now I've seen this thing happen for people in their first day, their first few days, first week. Okay. I've seen sales start to come in. Some I've seen that took as long as a month or maybe a couple of months to start seeing this thing get going. And then also, I've also seen, anywhere from 6 months for this thing to start actually taking off. Okay. That's when things kind of took off for me. It was around month 4 and 5 where things just started to, take off and those emails, I sent those emails out and those sales started to come in. Okay. So, for you, it could be a little bit sooner. Just depends. Okay. But you do got to come in every day and send out emails. All right. That's the most important thing is staying consistent and coming in every single day to send out these emails. All right. So let's go ahead and hop on over here. This is how you send out an email, guys. I just wanted to show you real quick. It's super easy to do. Now, I wanted to go over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is going to be the network that we're going to use. Today is the 15th. Okay. So pretty much I just wanted to show you guys the past 30 days, on what this looks like. Okay. On the algorithm. Okay. That way you can see the sales coming in and you can kind of see what it would look like for you. If you were to get started and start to, follow the steps that I'm showing you here today. Okay. So as you can see, this is going to be the algorithm. I mean, you'll probably get sales every day. Then you'll miss a day. Right here, I was out of town right here, but once I got back, I started to send those emails out, and this has been the algorithm ever since then. Okay. Before, when I first started, guys, it was, one here and then one maybe next week and then one, a week after, right? So the sales were a little slow coming in at first, but as I started to send them out every single day, they started to get closer and closer and closer in this video series. Okay. And like I said, go back and watch those previous videos so you can kind of know, what would it look like for you if you were to get started. Okay. So as you can see, these sales have gotten closer. Okay. So we're either getting them sales every single day. We're either getting them every other day or every 2 days. Okay. So that's really kind of been the algorithm so far, guys, is that we have maybe been getting them 2 days has been the longest that we've been getting sales. Okay. So what that means is that this algorithm, guys, things are starting to get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. And eventually we're going to start seeing there's not going to be any gaps at all. We're just going to start making sales every single day. Okay. It's all just a numbers game, guys. The more people that come into your back office, the more subscribers that you have, the more emails you send out, the more opportunity that you have to get sales every single day. Okay. It's just a numbers game. Okay. That's how you got to think of it. Okay. You just got to come in this thing and you have to send out emails every single day. Just get the lottery ticket mentality out of your head on this method, guys. This is something that you have to come in and do. Okay. In order for this thing to work, it's not going to work by itself. This is not paid advertising where you create a campaign, you pay for your ads and you do all this and that. Okay. And you start making sales just like that. Okay. It doesn't work that way with this specific method. All right. Now, the cool thing about this traffic with My Legion Secret that these people are looking for ways to make money online. Okay. These are business opportunity offers. Okay. I mean, business opportunity leads. Okay. So all we have to do is go out and find business opportunity offers. We create those emails or use the emails from the vendor and we send them to this traffic. Okay. And this is how we're able to make income because of the targeting of our customer or of our subscriber. Okay, these people are looking for ways to make money. All right, so Just think about the offers and emails that I sent out to this right here, guys. These sales come from people that are interested in making money. Okay. The offer that I put in front of them shows them how to make money, guys. So it's just super easy to do. And you can do the same. I'm no different from you. All you got to do is go to clickbank.com, create you some accounts. As a matter of fact, I left you guys a link below this video. Okay. So if you go below this video right here, click on the More tab and click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Go ahead and click on this, and then it'll take you to the mileage and secret landing page, and you'll be able to get started right here. Okay, so if you want to come down here, and also you can see here some testimonials. Okay, these are other people that are making money. Okay, with the system, I'm not the only one making money with the system. Okay, just want to just be upfront with you. Okay, I'm not the only one. There's tons of people that are making money with My Lead Gen Secret, just promoting itself. And these are the people that are making money. Okay. And then also, like I said, you can promote other offers to this traffic and it does work and it will convert for you. Okay. But you have to come in and you have to put in the work. Now, right here, this is where you would get started. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer, okay, on keeping the service. Like I said, I've been paying for this over maybe 3.5 years now, guys, and I can tell you that I've tripled my income, my money that I'm putting into this thing. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. So go ahead and here, click get started here. If you got any questions about it, just send me a message on here on this video or comment below. Let me know if you do sign up, okay? Because I do have some emails, some private emails that I have stored away, just for people that sign up under me that I will give you. That way you can kind of hit the ground running. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, but this traffic right here, guys, like I said, this is the past 30 days on what it would look like for you. This is kind of the algorithm. And like I said in the beginning, as long as you come in and you start sending those emails out the gate and you don't miss a step, eventually you're going to start getting those sales like this every day, okay, every other day or every 2 days, or you can get them every day. It just depends. All these accounts are not the same. Okay. You may have a set of accounts that work a lot better. Okay. And that's the thing about with these accounts, guys. Like, you have to have multiple accounts in order to start earning income quickly. Okay. So, if you get one account, you're only going to get 100 leads, and it's going to take you forever to start seeing results. Okay. You'll get sales. Okay. But it will take you a lot longer. Okay. Versus if you were to get 2 or 3 accounts is what I would recommend that you start off with. Okay. Get you a few accounts, send those emails out. You will earn income. And then once you start earning income, then you start investing in more accounts. Okay. That's the whole thing. And that's what I did. I started out with a few, and then once I started making money, I just reinvested in more accounts, and now I'm at eight accounts. Okay, so now I can literally come in and get in front of thousands and thousands of people every single day because I've been doing this for a while. So I got thousands of people in my list. Okay, that I can come in, I can just send out an email every single day, and I can get eyeballs on my offer. Okay, so this is what it would look like for you. Today, as you can see, we did get a sale. Today's the 15th. We did earn the sale today. We did get a commission. We got paid. All right. Now ClickBank does pay every single week. So I'd get paid every single week with ClickBank, from sending out emails, guys. It's just super easy to do. Like I said, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to send these emails out, get them ready to send them out, or copy and paste them over. I mean, it's just easy to do. Okay. I can't stress that enough. All right. So, I've already sent out my emails tonight, so I'm going to come back here tomorrow with you. Kind of, we'll check the results and see how we did for tomorrow. But I just wanted to come in and show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system, which I just showed you how to do that. You simply just come here, go over to the mailing system, and then you would just come down here and send your email out. All right. You would just, like I said, load that up, and then you would click on perfect timing and click on send now, right? And that email will go off to the races. And then you can come in tomorrow around the same time and you can send out another email and get in front of those people. Okay. But the main thing, the hardest thing about this whole deal here, guys, is getting started. Okay. That's the hardest thing, is getting started. So I recommend, if you're sitting on the sideline, go ahead and get started. And you will not be disappointed. Okay. One thing, real quick, guys, subscribe to this channel. Okay. Like this video. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay. Share this with somebody else that might can help them. Okay. This is not gonna get you rich or anything like that, but it will give you the extra income to maybe help with maybe a light bill, or maybe pay a gas bill, or water bill, put food on the table, some extra groceries. I mean, working this thing full time, guys, I mean, you can get this thing up to, $1,500, $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month. You can even get this thing up to $5,000 a month, guys. Okay. And that's actually really, really grinding, putting in the work with multiple accounts. Okay. So if you're interested in earning that type of income, and this is for the long haul, the higher amounts that you're going to get, I mean, that's something that you're going to have to be invested in and sending these emails out for a time period, and you'll get to that point. Okay. But in the beginning, you have to put in the work. Okay. I'm just not able to stress that enough. You have to come in and you got to send out emails every day. From all 8 of my accounts, I do not miss days. Okay. I come in and I send emails. Okay. Even if I'm not able to shoot a video with you guys and show you guys my results, I'm sending my emails every single day. Okay. So I just wanted to let you guys in on that. That's the most important thing, is sending these emails out. Make sure they are getting out every single day. And you set aside, 5 to 10 minutes of your time each day to come in here and concentrate on these emails. In the beginning, you're going to probably take a little bit longer, maybe like 20 minutes to come up with your emails, create your emails, make sure that they, you don't have any misspelled words, and make sure everything looks good in the email, and make sure that your affiliate links are working in that email. Okay. So in the beginning, it may take you a little longer, but once you start getting, start getting the hang of this thing, it's just super easy to do. Go back and watch my previous videos. I kind of go into detail on how to send out these emails, and I'm doing it a little bit more thorough, basically showing you how to copy and paste things over. So go back and watch those previous videos in the early and in this series. Okay. As we're getting more advanced in this series, just going to get to the meat and potatoes, just to show you quickly how to do something, and then show you the results and how you can get started with My Legion Secrets. All right. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.